Alright, so Microsoft has introduced a new handy feature to the online Microsoft Store that let you create one-click install pack for multiple applications at once. So the process will be very simple. You can download and install multiple applications with one simple click without using any kind of third-party application. And if I talk about installing multiple applications at once, the very first website program that will come in your mind is NINITE. And so far we use the NINITE website in order to download multiple applications at once. But now if you come to apps.microsoft.com, on the right hand top you will find a new option being added by the name multi-app install. And if you click on it, it will list you different kind of categories like productivity that contains different kind of productivity application. Then we have the creativity where you get famous application like Canva, CapCut, Audacity and OBS. Then you have the social where you get WhatsApp, Discord, Facebook, almost all kind of your social application. Then you have the entertainment, tools and utilities that comes along with NVIDIA control panel, Rufus, Sys internal suite and the WinToy. And on the personalization they give you the live wallpaper, lively wallpaper and the translucent TV. However, if you bring up the Microsoft Store application, you won't see this option as of now. Let me show you. If I bring up the Microsoft Store, there is no such option of multi-app install on the Microsoft Store application. But no worries. As of now, if you want to enjoy this feature, you can come to apps.microsoft.com and here only, once you click on multi-app install, you will be getting the list of all the application. Now let's test it and see how exactly this works. So in productivity, I will take ChatGPT. Then on creativity, I can pick one of the application like CapCut. In the social, I can go with the WhatsApp. Entertainment, let's say I can pick Netflix, no problem. And on the right hand side, you can see it will list you your selected application. Then in the tools and utilities, I can pick the WinToy and the translucent TV in the personalization. And as of now, only these applications are being listed, not more than that. But still, let's see how exactly it works. So I have selected around 6 applications here and now I can click install selected. And I will leave it. So now it will be automatically downloading the file. And it says we have downloaded an executable to install your application. Launch it from download to begin. Some app will be installed in the background. I'm not going to do anything. I will simply wait now and see whether it automatically download or install or not, or does it require any kind of permission. Alright, after waiting for a couple of minutes, I found that nothing is happening in the background. So it finally says CapCut ChatGPT for other installer.exe has been downloaded, and that basically means that it will automatically download it. Now in order to install all these 4 applications, I have to run it once. Alright, so what I will do, I will open the downloaded folder and this file says CapCut ChatGPT for more installer.exe, which means I selected 6 applications and it contains one single set of file that will be installing all the 6 applications, right? Okay, so let's see if I make a double click on it. Okay, the Microsoft Store came up and I believe now it's installing the application automatically. I'm not doing anything. Downloading, okay, WhatsApp, WinToy, translucent TV, maybe the CapCut, ChatGPT, other program that I selected will also come up soon. So let's wait for some time and see that how exactly it need to be done. Then I will let you know. And as of now, you can see that the WinToy, it says downloading. The translucent TV, it's downloaded, probably it's installing, and it says almost done. So let me bring one of these applications that has been installed here, the WinToy. I will click on open, click on yes. Alright, it looks like that the WinToy is coming up without any kind of problem. And it's a very popular tool. In case if you are not sure about it, I have already created a video on a WinToy. You can have a look on that video. So this application has been installed. Then also we install the WhatsApp application, and if I click on open, the WhatsApp is coming up. We also install the translucent TV. Now what I don't find, the other 3 applications I selected, probably I think the CapCut, ChatGPT and one more application I don't remember. I don't see them. And if I search for the CapCut, it still says me to install, but it should be installed because it was included in the multiple app package. But why still it's not been installed? That bit weird. Not only CapCut, but I also selected ChatGPT. Let me bring up the File Explorer, go to the download, and I can find a new file here, Microsoft Management Deployment. And if I go to the app section, you can see that it's still the ChatGPT, which I selected. It is still shows here in the application, and if I click on it, it's asking me to get or probably to install. That means that it has not been downloaded or installed on my device. Now I'm not sure why it only installed the 3 application, not the 3 other. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but I'm following the simple method, guys, that most of the people follow. Selecting all the application, creating a one setup file, then clicking on the setup file, giving the permission. I did everything, but still it seems that it installed only 3 application out of 6. I think there is much more needed to be changed in the online Microsoft Store. And even they should add unlimited application in these categories, not only limited application. There should be some more option as the other website I discussed about NINITE, WInstall. They give you the more premium feature, very advanced options, multiple application. So as of now, what I would recommend you that if you are interested in downloading multiple application at once, then better go with this WInstall or the NINITE and let Microsoft work more better on the Microsoft Store, and then you can try this. If there would be any kind of update, I will surely update you. And that's all, guys, for today. Hopefully you found this information useful. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.